the final lecture on the analytics as a service. The final section shows the various products which are available in the market relating to the big data analytics in cloud environment. Based on the service level of the cloud, the products fall under three categories, namely infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. The first type of service offering is the infrastructure level, and the service providers provide the much needed IT infrastructure to implement the big data solutions. Under the pay-as-you-go model, the needed computing power to process the big data in the form of high-performance servers, the needed extensive storage capacity to store the vast big data in the form of storage resources, and the needed network capacity to meet the bandwidth requirement can be purchased from the service provider. But on top of this cost, the firm implementing the big data solution needs to plan up for identifying and installing the suitable software such as the Hadoop framework or a NoSQL database like Apache Cassandra or HBase or MongoDB. Additionally, the efforts related to maintaining an IT team which keeps track of procuring and installing the latest version of the software still remains untranslated to the service provider. Henceforth, this service type brings in the least degree of advantages offered by cloud to the big data solution. Some of the infrastructure as a service providers in the market are Amazon Web Services, which is the market leader in this space. Apart from this, numerous products are available from the software giants such as IBM under the name SoftLayer, Microsoft having the Microsoft System Center, NTT Communication Company having the product NetMagic, Verizon product Terremark, and the Rackspace hosting. The second category of offering is the platform as a service, where the service provider offers necessary platform and environment, or to be more precise, the tools and libraries for the developers to develop, test, and deploy the big data analytic application. By this way, the developers can concentrate more on the innovation and avoid the low-end strenuous task of procuring and scaling the hardware and software for analytics application based on the varying needs. As a result, the developers can straightaway log into the platform and start developing the big data analytic application with the necessary features that satisfy their business needs. This service model seems to introduce some additional advantages of the cloud to the big data analytics solution compared to the infrastructure as a service model. Some of the products in the market are Google's App Engine, Elastic Beanstalk from Amazon, Windows Azure from Microsoft, OpenShift from Red Hat Cloud, and the Salesforce.com. The third category of the product offerings is at the software level, wherein the service provider offers the complete big data and analytics application packed with the extensive features to process and get the maximum insights and meaningful information from the big data collected. Thus, the e-commerce company implementing the SaaS solution need not worry about the application details operating behind the curtain. Their only responsibility is to feed in the big data that is to be processed, and they automatically get the wanted output from the application in the most preferred format with no other worries. This way, the responsibilities involved in the development of application and the procurement of platform and infrastructures are translated to the service provider. This seems to introduce many additional advantages compared to platform as a service. Some of the software as a service products available in the market for big data analytics to the e-commerce companies are the Google Analytics, which is the market leader in the space, started in November 2005. It is a freemium web analytics service that tracks and reports website traffic offered by Google after acquiring Urchin. This is followed by the Kissmetrics, which is a San Francisco-based company excelled in offering softwares for analytics in cloud. Adobe offers softwares under the title Adobe Analytics. IBM has the offerings under the name Core Metrics. Other famous products in the market are Pivik, Moz, Mixpanel, MindWatt, GoSquared, and so on. Thus, the market for the analytics application for e-commerce companies available in cloud is, and each e-commerce company, based on the scale of their business and the nature of their requirement, can select the best suitable product out of all these mentioned in this slide and implement it and get the maximum value out of it. Thank you so much for taking this course. I hope that you have got the information what you were looking for from this course and you got the maximum benefit out of it. Thank you once again everyone for taking up this course.